Sorry, I had a burp. Yeah, Strawny's not the only freaking burper in this company. Oh, let's see how long it takes for me to rip ass or something. Could someone like take a screenshot and like have me pointing like backwards, like, oh fuck. Excuse me. Oh, I'm gonna throw up in my mouth. Hold on. You like that? I need to burp. I didn't mean to moan. Excuse me. Oh, there's a little spit of pasta came up on that one. Oh, excuse me. Oh, wow. See? How am I supposed to? It's an unconscious thing to do. I have to burp. Excuse me. Okay. Anyways. Excuse me. You can get a cute standee. Excuse me. That doesn't burp for you like I do. Excuse me.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Echo me. Excuse me. Echo me. Kana's like, oh, okay, like it's not bad. It's not bad. Honestly, you don't need to worry. I have a sixth sense for relationships, and I can tell. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Oh fuck! What the fuck? What? Sorry. Actually, I kind of might stick it over there like that.
Blank slate.
Nom, 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 nom. Excuse me. Can I eat this chair? Excuse me. Sorry, it's the Red Bull. With the stick? Oh wait, can I fart? Hold on. Hee hee. Ha! Get that! Come on! Excuse me, come on, guys! I just got possessed by a burp demon there. Excuse me. Get fucking got. Cool. Can I? Oh, I have to shoot. I'll be on a shorter leash. So fast. Give me. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. If you are, go. You're gonna have to massacre you all. Excuse me. I don't anticipate nuking the VOD though, so we should be fine. Oh, goodness gracious. Lord have mercy.
I'd quite like it if I never had to hear that name again.
I don't know. Excuse me, I don't know I'm burping when I didn't even eat anything. $9 with fees. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh god. Put some seeds in there. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Even fewer still can make use of them. Excuse me. That was a sleepy burp. That wasn't good. Sorry, excuse me. Okay. There you go. continue. The big kids are talking. The adults are talking. I just choked in a pop. Almost said a pop socket. Pop rock. I need burp. Oh my god. Oh, that was a Tito's burp. Oh, hello, my name is Hido Kanda. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. Oh, that Tito's came back up. Oh, but I worked so hard generating this prompt. That's how I think about you. I'm just burping while you're talking because I don't care. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Cocky pee. Excuse me. That one was spicy, the one I just ate. Excuse me. Raw. I have to mute Elden Ring then on my excuse me, on my stream. Come on, Gabe. Oh, sorry. So, what? Come on, game capture. Excuse me. That ginger ale is making me burp.
Good burp.
I'm tired now, actually. I just got really eepy. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. It's because I'm having ginger ale, but my tummy hurts, so. You're straight. What are you doing in my swamp? There we go.
Excuse me.
I burp on you, Reina. See, that was a burp warning. Bloody Mart was going to the concert with Dracola. Then we kissed. I put on my invisibility coke. Professor, McGoogle did a spell so that we were all chained up. Ooh. Maybe it's like, why am I so fucking fat? Why are we going so fucking fast, bro? Oh, he liked me. What the fuck just happened? Oh my god. Oh, excuse me. Boomy, what are you doing? You get a stack. Excuse me. How does this doesn't raise anything? I'm gonna lead him to the little crabbies having a little spat. Excuse me. It's alright, I got some spicy Octua. He's styling on me now. I know, he stuck his little sword in his mouth and was like, yippity doo dah. I think I remember that. Excuse me. Sorry. We are hanging out. We're playing some Elden Ring. I don't know what you're talking. What is Muppet necking? Yeah. We're gonna part sign of grace. Whoa, that scared me. Dragusi making him act up. Whoa. Yeah? What of it? Excuse me. Whoa! Excuse me. Whoopsies. Anyways, I'll leave you with that. You're describing things I don't know the name of. I mean, they don't understand. Whoa, excuse me. That is true. Jackrabbits, cause yeah. Excuse me. Whippersnappers. Excuse me. Pardon-moi.
Oh my god, she just burped. She's so disgusting. Gross.
Excuse me.